Hi, this is Joshua Crawford, Managing Director of the recruiting firm PROPRIUS. Welcome to Get Hired Secrets. Today we will discuss, for crying out loud, employers are looking at your social media. Enjoying the anonymity of the internet and social media? Are you revealing a bit more on Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, or Instagram than you should? Are you sharing extreme political opinions, photos, college pranks, weekend preferences, and more? We're starting to see an increasingly popular trend. High school and college graduates who are getting ready to join the workforce are either closing their social networking pages or making them extremely private. Reason? Big Brother's watching you, baby. Job hunters are increasingly becoming more conscious of anything they put into the online spheres, as they should. Human resources and hiring managers are Googling potential employees. I have clients at large companies who even have their interns logging into social sites to check out an applicant's profile. They're not just looking at your profile, but your friends as well. Not only are they looking into your friends, but they are looking up your references on social sites too. So these trends combined with the growing popularity of sites like TikTok has many young people uneasy and unsure how to navigate both their personal and professional world. School administrators and professors are advising students on maintaining a professional presence on social media and networking sites, in email, on personal websites and blogs. Even so much in a recent online survey, a little more than 70% of the students that were surveyed said they continue to post the same things as they always did, even though potential employers might be looking. Now, conversely, about 75% of the employees surveyed said they investigate new hires by visiting social networking sites, and a considerable 18% of the employers say they decided not to hire someone based on what they saw online. But another 26% responded to that same question with no comment. Young people and graduates, please be careful of your image that you're portraying online. They are watching you. For more tips, tricks, and training, check out GetHiredSecrets.com. Again, that's GetHiredSecrets.com. Until tomorrow, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed.